Looking at Dogecoin from a daily perspective, not unlike Shiba Inu, we broke out of a cup with handle base yesterday with an impressive 15.6% move, a much larger percentage gain than we saw in Shiba Inu, and was conclusive. So now it sets up Dogecoin for a rise to the 50% retracement, or at least the measured move target, which comes in at spot 4.2. I think that probably this price level here, which is a spot 4.6, along with the Fibonacci, will be a magnet effect for Dogecoin and pull it up there. So we still are looking at a potential 36% gain from the current price. On the downside, should be relatively limited at this point. Any price close below this low of 305 would be a bearish development and raise a red flag in terms of the development of the pattern into the full-fledged measured move of 45% from the handle high. So a close below this level here at 305 would be a bearish sign for the development of the pattern, and then a daily close below a handle high, which comes in at spot 2.8, would be confirmation that the pattern has been voided and that we're heading for lower prices moving forward. On a weekly chart, there's much to see other than the fact that we did have fourth consecutive up week, which I think you have to go back into April of 2020 to see a similar run. So we are seeing impulsiveness here, even though the volume levels remain mild compared to other periods that we saw earlier 2021. Moving forward, I see higher prices unless we hit the levels that I mentioned earlier, and it works out to about another 36% gain if we touch the 50% Fibonacci level at spot 4.5. Go ahead.
Okay, you're done, right?
Yep.
Awesome. Right, so I want to point out the bearish breaker that I mentioned in the previous video here. I was expecting a move above and then a retest of this to confirm a successful breakout above it, and that's exactly what's happening right now. So going forward, Dogecoin has to maintain its stance above the bearish breaker, which ranges from 0.28 to 0.31. If it does that, consolidate or like just rise higher, either way, I think from a short-term perspective, I'm looking at a retest of the 0.36 level. I think beyond that, it's the $40, the 0.40 level, which constitutes roughly a 28% upswing, right? So short term, it's 0.36, midterm 0.40, and then slightly longer than midterm is like the 0.45, the 0.44 level here. That's what I'm looking at for Dogecoin. But if we do kind of breach the bearish breaker here, we're looking at a retracement to the 0.27 level, which is over here, and then probably around here. But this would be extremely bearish for Dogecoin, and then the upswing and these targets are going to be delayed. So yeah, this is an unlikely scenario which will come into play if Bitcoin crashes violently for me. But other than that, I'm leaning bullish on Dogecoin.
Yeah. No, looks impulsive now. Finally, after doing nothing there in late July and early August, where we just closed with multiple Doge candlesticks showing no interest at all in owning Dogecoin, we finally see some impulsive price action, which does bode well for at least in the short term for the cryptocurrency.
Yeah.